Welcome to the third video of the subject Social Science. As you can see, in the first and second video, I have covered the earlier like geography, history, political science, and so on. So this and sociology also, and this is the third video from important questions from all the years, all the important question papers from previous years, and all. So this is the economics, and this is the first chapter. These are the questions, and don't worry, you will be getting all the answers at this end of the video. So these are the important questions for economics. Chapter 1 and this is chapter 2 rural development. These are the important questions. MCQ is 1 marks question, 2 marks question, 3 4 marks questions. So this is chapter 3 public finance and budget. So this is MCQ is 1 marks question, again 2 marks question, 3 4 marks questions, and this is from the section now business studies. The first chapter is banking transaction. Also you will get important questions with answers for all the subjects, and at this end of this video we will be getting all the answers for this all above questions. So this is first chapter banking transactions. These are the MCQs to that, and these are 1 marks questions, and these are 3 to 4 marks questions. Chapter 2 entrepreneurship. So these are the important questions. Again asked, its question is asked in 2020, 2023, 2024, 2024 April and April 2025. This question is very important. State the functions of entrepreneur. Its question is very important. And come to the business studies, chapter 3, consumer education and protection. So this is an also important chapter. So model answers will start from now. Mix and business studies, these are the answers to the above questions. So these are the answers from chapter number 1, and coming to the chapter number 2, this rural development, these are the answers. Okay, 1 marks question, 2 marks question, all the answers are here to the above questions. And coming to chapter 3, public finance and budget, these are the MCQ 1 marks questions answers, and these are answers for 4 marks answers, 3 marks answers. So coming to the business studies, so first chapter banking transactions. So these are the answers to that. These are the answers for the chapter first from the business studies banking transactions, and these are second chapter business study entrepreneurship. So these are all the answers for 1 MCQ, 1 marks question, 2 3 marks questions, and also for the 3 marks and 4 marks also. This is business study chapter 3 consumer education and protection. This is the last chapter. So thank you for watching till end. So if you have not watched first and second video, please go and watch first and second video. There I have covered remaining history, political science, sociology and all, and geography. So there are totally 3 videos, and this is the third video. So thank you for watching till end. Also share this video with your friends. Subscribe to the channel if you are new, and also you will be getting important updates on time. So please do subscribe and watch till end, and also share with your friends. Thank you.